children. Hope you all are healthy and keeping safe at home. Today we will discuss lesson number 6 of your English grammar book, that is auxiliary verb. Open page number 40 of your English grammar book. Auxiliary verbs are also known as helping verbs. Now let's see a conversation between Sarah and James. Hi James, how are you doing? Sarah, I am doing fine. James, have you done your homework? I have completed my homework. Means we will now go to park and play. Students, did you notice in the above conversation between Sarah and James, the words like are, am, have, will, these words are helping the main verb of the sentence to complete it. So they are called auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are known as helping verbs. Auxiliary verb is a verb that gives further information about a main or a full verb. Students, so now let us discuss some examples. The first example is she has arrived here. She has arrived here. Here in this sentence, has is a helping verb. It is helping the whole sentence to complete or to make a sense. So has is helping verb, also known as auxiliary verb. And the main verb is she has arrived here. The main verb is, we read about verbs ना. Verbs are known as action word. तो हमें यहाँ पे कौन सा word action होते हुए बता रहा है? Arrived. Very good. So the main verb is arrived. Arrived is main verb. Now the second example is my sister is sleeping. In this sentence, my sister is sleeping, the auxiliary verb is yes. Is auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb means helping verb, which is helping the whole sentence. Suppose ma'am is हटा दे आपके पूरे sentence में से my sister sleeping, तो आपका sentence complete हुआ? No, the sentence is incomplete. So auxiliary verb are known as helping verbs. It helps the sentence to complete, to make a sense. Sleeping is main verb. Main verb means action word. Action word. It is easier to learn auxiliary verbs when we put them into the following families, and those families are present, past and past participle. Let us discuss about the present family. Present covers is, am, are, has, have, will, shall, do, does, and one more is be. And be. These words are the example of the auxiliary verbs which indicate the action taking place in the present or future, and these words are, you have to repeat it afterwards me, is, repeat it afterwards me, is, am, are, has, have, will, shall, do, does and be. Oh, let us discuss some examples. First example is you are happy. So in this sentence, you are happy. Can you please help me in finding out auxiliary verb? You can also take the help of this flow chart. Can you please help me in finding out the auxiliary verb from this sentence? Yes, in this sentence, are is an auxiliary verb. And happy is main verb, which tells you about the action. Happy से आपको action पता चलता है ना? तो yes, happy is action word, that is main verb, and are is auxiliary verb, is helping verb. It is helping verb, which helps the sentence in its completion. Suppose अगर यहाँ पे होता you happy, is the sentence complete? No, it is incomplete. So that we have used are. Is, am, are, they all are helping verbs. They all are helping verbs. Let us discuss where do we use all these auxiliary verbs. So let us start with is. We use is with singular. First person. Example is he, she, it, etc. Use am with I. For example, I am going to market. Third one is are. We use are with plural. For example, they are, we are, you are, etc. We use was with singular, were with plural, has with singular, have with plural. Like I have, you have, they have. Next, do. We use do with plural. They, you, we. And does with singular. Like she does, he does, etc. These are past auxiliary verbs. Was, were, did, had and would. Negative auxiliary verbs. The auxiliary verbs can be used in negative form also. So here are some examples. Do changes into do not. Has into has not. I have done this work. The negative of this sentence is I have not done this work. I am doing this work. Yes, I am not doing this work. We just added not here. She has bought new pencil. She has not bought new pencil. Next one is interrogative auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verb can be used to form questions when they come in the beginning of the sentence. In interrogative auxiliary verbs, in the starting of the sentence. Let's see an example. We are going for a picnic. In this sentence, are is an auxiliary verb. So, see, in the interrogative auxiliary verb, are is in the beginning of the sentence. Are we going for a picnic? And then question mark. We use question mark for interrogative auxiliary verbs, for interrogative sentences. Next is Sarah will. See next example. Sarah will run faster than Meera. Now here will is an auxiliary verb. So will Sarah run faster than Meera? This is interrogative sentence with the question mark. We always use question marks in interrogative sentences. Next is there are birds flying in the sky. Yes, are the birds flying in the sky with the question mark. So now it's time to recap what we have learned. First one is auxiliary verbs are also called helping verbs. Examples is, am, are, has, have, had, did, was, were, would, and so on. Next one is auxiliary verbs help the main verb to form the sentence. Auxiliary verb help the main verb and then it forms a sentence. Very good. Students, you have to do this page number 43 and page number 44, 45 and 46 by yourself. Then ma'am will share the answers with you all. Then you have to check it by yourself. You have to do the cross checking of the answers. Thank you everyone. Bye. Take care.